Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. It is actually a pretty decent day, you guys. It's about 50 degrees here in sunny Colorado today. The pond has now melted, and I think we're looking at a high of about 53, so nothing super warm, but it's definitely nicer than it has been. We've got a few things going on today, so let's go ahead and get started with today's vlog. Time for day 13. There we go, some tans and some reds. Definitely a little bit different than what we've had. I don't think Katie's gonna want this color in her cowl though, so I'll probably have to save that for a different project. And I've started putting my minis in this glass container. That way I can kind of see them all. I was too tired to do any knitting last night, so I didn't make any progress on my cowl, but Katie's thinking she might want to do this color again, which is the one here, and then maybe kind of continue with this sort of color scheme pattern striping. I don't know, we'll see. Good morning, birdies. Would you guys like outside? Would you guys like out? Good morning. Hello, good boy. What's up? You guys don't want out lately. I think they're afraid of the camera. Jax isn't in here, so they're not worried about the cat right now.
So I have a challenge. Use 4 matches, set up in a square, and she has to use these wooden ends and try and pick them up.
You have to pick them up.
Yeah.
All 4 of them, keeping them in a square.
Yeah. Well, it can curve, but you just need to pick it up. It can like make a diamond, but yay!
Push them together. There you go. Oh. So do you guys want to tell us what we're making? All right, so Haley is making a fruit dip, right? What is it? We never named it. Yeah, it doesn't really have a name. It's basically a thing of marshmallow fluff plus a thing of cream cheese mixed together. Olivia is making pigs in a blanket, so we're using these little turkey sausages and some Pillsbury crust. Bandit is just walking around barking today. We don't know why. All right, guys, we are headed to a friend's house. We're gonna do tea advent calendars for the girls, or I think they might have hot chocolate too. I'm not sure what she said, but we're bringing some snacks and some tea, and we'll take you with us. We also had to send Katie back in because we forgot the presents. All right, here is Katie's advent calendar. These are super cute. They just glued the little cups onto a cardboard tree and then decorated the fronts. And then they have a little tea inside. That's super cute. That's Katie's. Here is Olivia's. All right, here is Haley's. Do you want to say anything about it, or?
It took a while. I don't know.
Took a while.
That was like the last one to finish.
Yeah, decorating each one of these. They're super cute. They made 12. Oh, that one fell off. Cute. So there's Haley's, just in like a little thingy.
So right now we are off to hockey practice, and yeah, I mean, I guess we're just going. Good news, we got my stick back. That's all that matters. We got my stick. I could not one bit play with my old stick.
You did fine. Well, you did okay. You definitely do better.
Yeah, but it's, sorry, it's like too short, and like when we're on breakaway, or the other team's on breakaways, they're getting ready, might score, might not, 50-50. And cause I caught up to that guy, I was skating side by side, and I was reaching with my stick, but I couldn't reach him because my stick was too short. So I'm like, great, now I gotta get closer. And then I tried again, and I didn't get, so I had to get closer and then closer and closer until I could finally reach him. Unfortunately, we're going to stop by our local Target store, but something happened. Well, my mom kind of forgot her purse at home and didn't realize till we got in the parking lot of Target. So, I just got my hockey pictures. We got the sports logo up here. Here's my individual.
What are you doing, Jax?
You just woke up from a nap.
All right, guys, I'm pretty sure we drank the wrong tea last night, so we think we drank tea 13 last night, so we're gonna do 12 tonight. Sorry about that. Has to happen at least once during Vlogmas, right? It's like a tradition now. Tonight's tea is red velvet cake. Here's what it looks like. See how it tastes.
I don't know either. I'm not
It's
sure
okay.
if I like it.
This one is red velvet cake. It says rich, creamy chocolate. I don't know.
It's kind of, does that floaties or no?
Mine doesn't really, but I do see a red like ring around the inside of my cup. Do you have that?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll
It's
probably drink
okay. I don't hate it. Not my favorite.
it. No, it's not my favorite.
Not the worst one either. Not the pineapple one.
Not the pineapple.
Not the pineapple. Before we start questions tonight, I wanted to talk about just two things. Number one, if you guys are wondering what's going on with vlog number 10, I decided to pull it down and re-upload it. We had a notice from YouTube because Olivia and I were playing ukulele and singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and so we got a notification that it was copyrighted and it was by a weird like French company, and so it seemed kind of sketchy anyways, but they wanted to share any royalties I made off that video. They didn't want me to take it down, they just wanted royalties that I make off of it. And so just to be safe, because I don't have any marks on my YouTube account and I just don't want to even have there be an issue, we decided to pull the vlog down. I took out the section of us singing in there and then re-uploaded it. So if you're wondering what happened to it, that's what happened. It is back up, so you can still watch it. Unfortunately, if you asked a question on that one, those were lost. So if you had a comment or question or whatever, if you can go back onto that vlog and ask it, or you can ask it on tonight's or whatever, that would be helpful for us, because I did lose all those comments doing that. So kind of a bummer, but I feel like better safe than sorry, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just didn't want to deal with it or have it be an issue down the road or whatever. So that means we also won't be singing and playing our ukuleles probably anymore. Yeah.
Or make up your own songs.
Yeah, or we'll make up our own songs. So thing number 2 is that I realized tonight that we drank the wrong tea last night. We drank day 13 last night and so I did day 12 tonight. I basically just accidentally pulled the wrong day last night, so. Jason doesn't know because I always pull them and make them, and so, yeah. All right, ready for questions?
Ready.
Anna Martez asked, do you teach the math part of the curriculum? High school math can get very intense. Are there certain resources you use to help the kids with math? We use Math UC, and so it comes with a weekly DVD lesson. So Steve Demi is kind enough to teach the math to my kids. If it's something for like Haley's high school math, a lot of times I will watch the video with her. Thankfully, it all kind of comes back to me and I'm able to help her throughout the week with her lessons. The younger kids, I don't have to watch the DVDs, and I've kind of been through it. We've been using it for years. So yes and no. I do help them. I help maybe explain things they're not getting, but for the most part, they do their lesson on a DVD. Okay, Lisa Gomez asked, what were your majors in college? Do you want to go first?
Sure. I majored in computer information systems. It was basically the computer side of the business school.
Okay, and Jason went to CSU, I guess, if anybody's curious.
Go Rams.
Go Buffs. I went to CU. And I majored in, well, I have like a fine arts degree in photography and journalism, and I did film on the side. So yeah, so I have a BA. Is that what yours is, or is yours like a BS?
It's BS, all right. I don't know.
We don't know.
I have a diploma somewhere.
So do I.
I graduated and started doing computer science anyway, so.
Yeah, I graduated, started doing something completely different. I worked at a credit union and accounting department for a long time. I did visa fraud, I did software test and management, and now I do videos and write, so I guess that degree finally came in handy. Angelica Schmidt asked, Jason, have you ever gotten a deer? Do you take your lunch with you or do you buy it?
Yes, I have gotten a deer. I've gotten a few actually. Let's see, was it 2016? I had been putting in for preference points for this one area and I got a pretty nice buck. Otherwise, I've shot 2 does before that, so 3 deer total in my life. And then lunch, I usually buy it, actually.
Well, for a while there, he was paying Katie $1 to make his lunch every day, and she did a good job for a while, and then she started slacking off.
She's not very dependable, so it's all right.
So sometimes he has.
It lets me get out of the office.
Yeah. Haven of Bless says, does Jason knit or would he be interested in learning?
I do not knit. I'm not sure if I'd be interested in learning. Probably not. I know you could. You'd be a good teacher too.
All right, Sharam asked, Jason, we don't want you to be left out. How did you learn to be so handy? Like car repairs, home repairs, landscaping repairs, all the stuff I've been showing Jason doing in our vlogs. Thanks for sharing with us. Thank you, and we love Vlogmas.
Yeah, thanks for not leaving me out. So I would say that my dad's really handy, and so growing up I had a lot of role model or whatever, and then with YouTube anymore you can figure out how to do anything, and I like to try things, so I'll try anything once. But I can dig a hole and
poke holes in our ceiling.
Yeah, cut a hole. I'm great at demo. I hired someone to fix the holes, but
you're great at demo, just not great at like the rebuild.
Yeah, and I can change oil, and
he is super handy, guys. It is.
I can run a paintbrush.
It's nice to have him around because I pretty much am like, here's like a pile of stuff for you to fix, and he just like fixes it. I don't know how he knows how.
YouTube
it. Okay, Tony Marin says, love the photos you post. What kind of camera do you use? Thank you very much. And honestly, all the pictures that you see on like my Instagram and stuff were taken with my iPhone. This is an old iPhone. It's like
It's not that old.
It's an iPhone 7, which I just got, but Jason always buys me used iPhones off eBay because
She breaks them?
I break them like almost instantly. Like I drop them as soon as I open them. It's just really sad. So anyway, so I take them all on my iPhone, and then this video is being shot on a Canon GX7. It's my vlogging camera, and honestly, it doesn't take that great of pictures, but it does really good at video. And so yeah, that's pretty much what I use. And then I also have a GoPro for like summer videos for lakes and underwater and stuff like that. But honestly, the majority of my stuff is done on my iPhone.
Okay, so Erica says her phone is old. I have the 5S. Mine's vintage.
It is vintage.
Works like a charm.
I keep telling him it needs.
I've had it for years. She breaks her phone more than anyone should.
I do. And actually my other one was a 6 and the screen is shattered. So didn't you already buy a replacement screen for it? You just need
Yeah, it didn't work, so I had to send it back.
Oh, okay. So you just need to get another one so you can have that one instead of this one.
I'll probably fix her old 6 screen and then use it.
Yeah. Okay, one last question. JJosborn11, can you tell us what brand of tea kettle you have? Yes, let me get it really quick. Okay, here is my tea kettle. This is a Le Creuset tea kettle, and I absolutely love it. It comes in a variety of colors, and actually Jason got this for me from Ace Hardware. His cousin owns one of the shops here that are kind of local to us, and so we get family discount, which is really nice because these are kind of expensive, but honestly, I really, really love this. It heats up really quickly and it keeps the water warm for quite a while, and yeah, no complaints on this. I love it. It's like a, oh, it just looks black on the screen. It's kind of like, it looks like a, the stuff that the old Western metal.
Like cast iron?
Yeah, no, not cast iron. Like these cups that were metal, you know, in the olden days, the like pioneer days, the metal. That's what the inside of it looks like. But it is metal. It's like a, I don't know what it's made out of, but anyways, I really like it. Plus it's pretty, and they come in all kinds of different colors. If I remember, I'll link it below because you can find them on Amazon as well, but that's what that is. All right, guys, I think that's it for us tonight. Thank you so much for joining us for Vlogmas today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Hold on, get over here. It's better lighting. Haley, are you having fun? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
So, do you just like to get in all boxes? We really should have named you Jack. Jack in the Box. Really rethinking that name choice. Jason, have you ever gotten a deer? Do you take your lunch or buy it?
Deer. I've got a deer.
Okay, hold on. Yeah. He's not really like... Oh. So, yeah, you could... Oh my gosh, Bandit. Literally every time I start talking. I also don't know where Jason went. He just like got up and left. Are you coming back?
Yeah.
For tea? In the middle of what you doing?
Yeah, my phone.
Oh. Okay.
It's good. Well, yeah, it's smaller, but
I'm surprised it even still works.
it works perfectly. That's what happens when you don't drop it.
You don't even use your phone. You like call.
I call.
You could have a flip phone.
And text.
Get you one of those
No, I
flip
need a
phones like your
smartphone.
dad has, you know,
I'm
the
too
old
smart.
emergency phones.
I need a smartphone.